guys, what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we're going to make a miniature mag, especially for dolls. Okay, so we will be needing scissor, pencil, paintbrush, brown acrylic paint, glue, and computer paper. So I'm gonna start by cutting some strips of computer paper, and after that we're gonna fold it, and I'm gonna cut some of the extra, and I'm gonna glue it right here. And we're gonna roll it, and we're gonna add some glue right here. Make it firm. Sorry. Okay. And another glue. Cut some extra. This right here. And I'm gonna trace it. And we're going to cut that out. And we're gonna add some glue at the edges. And we're gonna put it right here. Gotta make sure it sticks. And I'm gonna cut small strips of paper. We're gonna fold it right here, and we're gonna add some glue. And right again, we're just gonna glue it out, and I'm gonna cut some of the edges, some of the extra. And right here, I'm gonna glue it in the mug. And after you glue that out, I'm gonna add some cotton right here. And I'm gonna paint it with brown acrylic paint. Sorry. I'm gonna paint it with brown acrylic paint. And I'm gonna paint it right here. Gonna paint all over the top. And for more convincing look, I'm gonna add some little bit of glue. Okay, and we're gonna mix it together. And make sure you're gonna feel the cotton. And voila! You are already done with a miniature mag. Okay, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you with our next video. So bye!
It's a losing game, but this time it's more